3079. I'm here. The lifts are there, so that's a reasonable walk with luggage. We've got bathroom, toilet, all in one. So there is good. And is it full? Yes. Nice. Nice looking shower. This stuff is nice. I like this brand. Yep, all good. There's a hairdryer. And yeah, that's it. Okay. Let's explore out of the toilet. So I see a safe, ironing board, nice hangers. This looks like the one from L'Imprimerie in France. Yes, you always get 2 duvets. I've noticed that in their hotels. It tells you where we are. So we are here, which is the meatpacking district. So my taxi was just under 400 Danish kroner to get here from Copenhagen airport. But yeah, this is like the cool area. So there's nice bars, places to eat, that sort of thing. I've been here with some colleagues before. But yeah, it's very industrial feel, so exposed concrete. I like that style. Mugs, but nothing. Cool. Oh, it's a bit more light. So yeah, a boring view. But there we are. So yeah, I mean, I like Copenhagen. So yeah, it's the room. Very Scandinavian or Nordic. This is very common, folks. Often you'll actually get 2 separate beds as well. So, you know, that's how they do stuff. So check-in desk was really friendly. There's a little app for in the hotel. And yeah, and that's it. So we've got some sockets either side of the bed, which is great. Air conditioning, should you be here in the summer and for some reason it's slightly warm. There we are. Yeah, and that's it. So you've got takeaway coffee cups. Tea and coffee. It's the bar area of the hotel. It's quite a big bar. Got the entrance just here to reception. We've got the lifts, some toilets, meeting spaces, and then that's the reception area. Breakfast is included, they don't check or anything. It's quite a nice touch. So 20 Danish kroner for 48 hours hire, and they accept Amex and Apple Pay for umbrellas. Never seen that before. You can rent bicycles. There's a decent sized bar, plenty of seating, and a little like snack area